Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm starting to go through the limited slip rear end I picked up for the '71 Catalina Convertible Project. In addition to wanting to change all the seals and fluid, I have to first address the worst part of this rear end, the driver's side coil spring perch. Even though the original rear end was extremely loose and had some metal in the oil, I saved all internals, including the pinion, carrier, and axles. I decided to use a perch from the original rear end and also remove all the parts for any future needs. I also saved the two remaining brake line hold downs, as the limited slip rear is missing them on the passenger side. Okay, the plan today is to remove this perch, which as you can see is pretty badly pitted and rotten. And I did cut these off the donor rear end, the one that was on the car. And my plan is I cut into the housing in order to get as much material off as I could, so I didn't cut these short. On this, I'm just going to cut, kind of low to the tube, as low as I can without cutting into the tube, and then I'll just grind off all the excess material. So at first I'm going to mark off exactly where they are. Now I started doing that with a line, but I'm going to put like a bar on there. I'll use some very secure tape to tape the bar on there, just so I have a very good idea. I already leveled the rear end, somewhat speaking. Of course, it's not good to get a measurement off this perch because it's pretty bad, but as you can see, I'm relatively level. And I got the same on this side. Pretty much. I noticed that they are kind of off from the factory, but pretty confident they should be level. So. Okay, what I did was just tape a plate onto the differential tube, and it kind of gives me my markings. The one shelf sits right on the top of the plate, and I just marked off where the location of it is, just in case I lose it. But again, the plan is to cut these off close to the tube, and then grind it down. And if I need to retape this, I will, obviously. But it should have good placement then. So we'll see how it goes. Yes. I think I like this one better. Yeah, I do actually. Alright, I'm going to tack that on there. Yep. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!